In this video, I'm giving my honest review of Music Gateway and whether it's truly worth it for independent musicians. From what's publicly known and commonly reported, the platform offers a mix of music distribution, promotional tools, and access to sync licensing opportunities, which can look appealing if you're trying to grow your career. My experience and research show that distribution generally works as expected, and some artists do see small boosts in visibility from promotional features. However, there are frequent user concerns about subscription charges, difficulty canceling, and promotional campaigns that deliver far fewer results than expected. Sync licensing opportunities appear competitive, and many artists report little to no traction despite investing time or money. Customer support feedback also varies, with some finding help easily while others face delayed responses. Overall, Music Gateway isn't a scam but isn't a guaranteed value either. Its effectiveness depends heavily on your goals, budget, and expectations. If you're an emerging artist looking for predictable results, there may be more transparent or cost-effective services out there, but if you're open to experimenting and can manage the risks, it might be worth trying cautiously. For more real-world reviews, make sure to subscribe for upcoming breakdowns.